Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be creek fishing for tiny chubs. Now this is a very good spot for these little fish. I have fished here one time before and caught like 10 little creek chubs. I just had a bite. I almost had one. Got one. Oh, wow. It's a nice little one. Here's this. This guy's very floppy. Here's the first little fishy. Let's give him a nice little release. I have no idea. Oh, there he is. Want to put you back where you belong. There you go. That was a treat. He took off my bait though, so I'm gonna have to put another one on. Okay, so we got our bait back on. I think that these fish can hear very well, so we're gonna try to be a little bit quieter. I see all the little tiny males that aren't scared of me for some reason. Oh yeah, perfect. That's where I caught the first one. Got one. Oh. Here's, okay. Oh, come on. I saw a little brook trout just pop up over here. Here is the second. Okay, let's give this guy a nice, safe little release without scaring that little trout away. The thing that matters right now is that the fish get back safely. Well, I gotta put more bait on because he took it off again. Okay, guys, there was just a little trout here. I don't know if he's still here, but I would really love to catch a trout. See if we can get that. Got one. Oh, what type of... Can somebody tell me what type of fish this is? Because I have never seen this in my life. Oh, come on. Oh, here he goes. I might change up some lure. To one of these. I guess I am. Man, that... Got him. Oh yeah. Finally got one. Is this a chub? I think this might be my best chub. Got him. Oh wow, this one's a monster. I just wanna adore you. Okay, bud. Wow, I think that was my best. As I walk back up. Got one. Oh yeah. This one actually pulled up a fight. Unlike all the other ones that I've got. Here is the next catch. These are such beautiful fish. Here's the little chub today. I think this might be my personal best. I can't tell, but this one is bigger than what I usually catch. Let's put it back in some calmer water. Guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up here. It's just that my GoPro is getting too low and I don't know when it will die, so thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hope this inspired you to go fishing some more. Peace out.